Hello guys. I've been given a task to produce a mini grading machines. So this is my idea. I'm still in the initial stage of designing and doing everything. So this is the stepper machines. Stepper machines where it for people to exercise. I've removed the top covers. So now let me start to let you guys understand why there's remote control, why I'm using this. You see this machine actually shakes. Where is the human to stand on top of this, the two legs, then it shakes and so-called vibrate off the fats. So I'm thinking of using this. It's easy, everything is complete. Everything is complete with remote timer, safety timer and speed, different speeds. So faster and even more faster. And it's not noisy at all, very little noise. So it vibrates. Then I'm thinking using this as a shaker. Then build a bigger platform. It will be slightly bigger, maybe 2-3 inch bigger on all sides. Then with it 3 trays, because they need three trays, 3 gradings. And currently there's two wire mesh which they say is using this size. The small size outside and the green one is inside. So this is my idea to build 3 trays, and I'm contemplating to use this. Wait a minute, let me take it off from plastics. This type of stands, and it can be at certain angles. It can be shift at certain angles to adjust the angles, because this thing two sides vibrate at the same angle. That means the material will be in the center, or you always find the center, which is we don't want. The tray will be at the angle down this way. So when material is put at this side, it vibrates slowly, it will go down this way. Of course, dropping through the smaller material will drop through. But I'm contemplating to use this or not, because to be adjustable angles or a fixed angle. Probably I'll go for the fixed angle. Then let me show you my ideas of this. I've drawn out pretty simple. The top tray is this way, and exiting here with a PVC pipe forming to screw on top here. This is the exit. Then I need to have a piece of wood to concentrate the material to flow out. Okay, then the middle layer exit this side. With these two, this angle will be more than this to cover the top, so the material doesn't drop to the outside inside of this triangle. Then the lowest level, I'm contemplating using just PVC fabric, staple it to the side, and hot joint a small PVC pipe to collect everything, the dust and all that out this way. So three exit at different sides. Or I'll be using a wooden box also, but line it with a PVC pipe, because PVC pipe is smooth. If using the wood, because wood is much more easier to build currently, at least now in the designing stage and initial designing stage. After that, when these things is improved all the way, then I'll make a metal one, or maybe I'll not make the metal one. I just use it until it's spoiled and make a metal one. I'm not very sure yet. So I'm contemplating this one, whether to use a wooden box and line it with PVC, because PVC fabric is smooth. The minor materials it can easily go through and not caught by the wooden grain. Of course, I could sand it down. But current stage, I'm not going to be so fine on the details yet. I'm just going to make it workable. The current is workable. At least 25 degrees is what I think, because I see many commercial models, the bigger models have it. 25, 30 degrees, 25-30 degrees. So the hopper, I'm just looking at a small PVC container. Those plastic containers, just cut a hole at this side, and it will be my hopper. I don't care because this whole thing vibrates. This whole platform vibrates. Only the bottom part, the motor here, doesn't vibrate. So as it might vibrate, it will be, the material will drop through the hole because the whole thing vibrates. It's not a stationary hopper. This is how I think this is upcoming projects. So we're still waiting for some materials to come. Then I'll start building it and showing you guys. Yep, this is today everything. Hopes everything works. Thank you.